Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone guys sound and vibration setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use friends other sound and vibration on lava phone device. Friends, you want to use friends your other sound and vibration setting. So how to use in this video friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So without waste time guys, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, scroll it and friends click on lava phone sound setting. After sound setting friends, you can set ringtone from here. You can adjust the volume, vibrate for call setting, do not disturb setting. Friends, click on advanced setting. After friends advanced setting friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see other sound and vibration. Friends, you want to on your dial pad. So after on dial pad guys, how to use friends on your dial pad here, and friends click on your dial pad, and friends when you will enter the number on your dial pad friends, you can see this tone guys, we call it dial pad tone, so we can use dial pad tone. And friends you don't want to use, you can off. Friends after off, you can enter number without any sound on your dial pad. And guys second is screen lock sound. So guys when you will lock your phone screen, and you can use this sound, and guys when you will unlock your phone, you can use your screen lock sound. So guys you don't want to use, so you can off. And charging sound guys, when you will charge your phone, you can use the charging sound. And touch sound, after on the touch sound guys, when you will click your phone button, so friends you can use the touch sound. And friends when you will click your phone icon and any setting, so friends you can use this touch sound on lava phone device. So guys we call it touch sound, so like that friends you can on touch sound and you can use. Friends you don't want to use, so friends click on sound setting, advanced setting, and the touch sound we will off. And when you want to use the touch vibration friends, after on friends your phone will vibrate when you will click your phone button, these three buttons, so your phone will vibrate on your lava phone. And friends you don't want to use, so friends again click here sound setting friends, scroll it advanced setting, last option off, and friends your phone will not vibrate on your lava phone. So like that friends you can use guys your all other sound and vibration setting friends, dial pad tune setting, screen lock sound, charging sound, touch sound, and touch vibration you can on from here, and you can off from here on your lava phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now friends, do you have any doubt related to get your other sound and vibration setting friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, bye friends.